Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on Python for ethical hackers. In this video we'll specifically add some logic to our code. Now that we are happy with our code and our program, that it works pretty fine for changing our MAC address, it's time to add some logic to our program. So if I come over to the terminal and type in Python example.py and then just write -i, and for interface I just provide eth0 and press enter, you will see that we haven't entered the second argument. That's why our program will give us an error. And this error is useful for us being programmers to find out what is wrong with our program. But for the user it's not good because he cannot really do much with it, or he cannot understand what is going on. Instead of this error, we want to show the user a friendly message in order to make him understand what is he doing wrong. In this case specifically, he didn't enter the MAC address, so we want to show him a message that you didn't enter the MAC address. So we will also show some help how he can enter the MAC address. If he don't enter both of the commands, we'll show him an error for both of the commands. If he just don't enter the interface, we'll show him that he needs to enter an interface as well. So this is the main objective of this video, in order to understand what is conditional statements and how does that really works. So what is conditional statements, or what is decision making in programming? Well, decision making is the process of executing code only if a condition is true. So like suppose if we do have a condition that if something is equal to 5, then run this code, or something is greater than 5, run this code, or something is less than 5, run this code, something like that. So these are all the conditions, and we need to run something if this condition is met, or if we want to make it the other way around. If this condition doesn't match, run this. So if do this, if this, do this, else do this. So that is the whole story. So if you come over here to this slide, you can see that we do have mainly three type of conditional statements, or you can say that it's the same condition, but we can use it in three separate ways. The first one could be that we write the if, then a condition, and then we do something if the condition is match. If it's not match, we do something else. So this is the simplest way of if condition, that is known as if else. In if else, we do have a condition. If that condition is matched, we do something. If that condition doesn't match, we do something else. And then the rest of the code is executed. Now coming over to the if else if condition, in that we do have condition 1. If that condition is matched, that will do the thing that is related to the condition 1. And we do have another condition with else if, and then the second condition. So if that condition is matched, it will do whatever is related to condition 2, and then we can go on up to infinite amount of else if and conditions. So it will do that task whichever condition is matched. And then in the end we do have an else. If none of the condition gets matched, so it will do whatever is related with the else. And then it will go to the rest of the code. And now we do have just a simple if. So many people confuse the if else if with simple if, like double if or triple if as well. So that is really wrong, because they are not the same. In this case, you can see that in the first one, which is else if, we do have two conditions, and in the second one, which is just if, we also do have the two conditions. But in the first if, in the if else conditional statements, if the condition 1 is matched, it will never go to the condition 2, nor to the else part. it will directly ignore everything and then go to the rest of the code. But in the case of if, in the case of 2 if the condition 1 is matched, it will still look for the condition 2 and then it will go to the rest of the code. So that was a short theory about if conditions and how to use them. In the next video, we'll look at how to implement these conditional statements in our Mac Changer program, and we'll go deeply and we'll thoroughly study everything. So this is pretty much it for this video. I hope you did learn something about if conditions. In the next video, you will practically use it. So stay tuned. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a pleasant day and bye for now. Stay cheeky breeky. Peace out.